Welcome back, everybody. Even though it was a fairly nice day, the big storms have already fired up in North Texas as predicted and as expected. This coming in tonight pretty rapidly. You can see the line from the Belton area through Austin, through Leander, where they've already had hail along this line, and now it's expanding down toward the Eagle Pass area as well. Now, here's the problem. It'll be in San Antonio probably about 6:37. And they're having fiesta right now, so a lot of people are going to get hailed on when that thing arrives. There's downtown San Antonio, and you can see the storms already pushing into the Bernie area. Well, Gonzales will be first, probably about 8 o'clock, and then Victoria probably 9, 10 o'clock. This is moving very rapidly, and we are all under a severe thunderstorm watch because of the storms moving in our area. Up here, they had a little bit heavier. This is a tornado watch, but this is basically for around the Waco area. Now, right now, Victoria County is not in the thing or in the watch area, but trust me, it'll be happening later. Here you see Victoria County, DeWitt right there. So everybody north of us along I-10 and up, you're going to be dealing with the stormy weather. And of course, it goes all the way up to Dallas. Behind it, some very gusty west winds that'll be blowing through our area. Here's the setup. We've got this area of low pressure. It's got all the air rising up, and it has a circulation. So behind it, it's pulling down a northwest wind. So ahead of it, we've got all this humid air, and you see the line of storms as it develops. So we're looking at 7 o'clock, San Antonio, 8 o'clock, Gonzales, about 10 o'clock our area, and then by midnight, at 2 in the morning, it'll be out offshore. Behind it, we're going to get a fairly gusty northwest wind, which will dry things out. And you're not going to believe this one. It's going to be dusty tomorrow. It'll be Lubbock dust blowing around the area. So then as we go through Sunday, you've got a pretty good looking day. And then as we get to Monday, still on the good side as high pressure builds in. This frontal system will pretty much stall out there. So once again, 5 o'clock, it's up here, Austin. Let's see, here's Victoria. I'll put my finger there. Here's Victoria. So there you go at 6 o'clock. And then 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, right on through our area. Thunder and lightning coming through. Will there be hail? There is hail in it. It'll be decreasing, but there will be likely hail around it. And notice the winds behind it, rather strong out of the northwest for about a day or so. So yes, the storm is coming in just as predicted. And we'll take a look at your 7-day outlook because that's going to tell you what to expect. Now, as we are looking at, of course, the frontal system, actually the wind shift will be about midnight. So we're calling it stormy weather tonight into tomorrow morning, okay? Tomorrow about noontime, all of that will be clearing, and so the rest of the day will be on the sunny side. I have the alert, but that's for the early morning hours and certainly overnight as well. Tomorrow's high only 73, not bad with a northwest wind blowing at 20, 25 miles an hour. Sunday's looking very nice, 78. Monday and Tuesday are looking good as well, dry. But by the time we get to Thursday of next week, we start picking up that Gulf moisture and the very light showers. So the big stuff is that tonight, if you're going out, take the umbrella or just be ready for a line of storms coming through the Crossroads area. That's your 7-day forecast. Reminding you, we've got a QR code. If you scan that, I'll be able to send you a bulletin as soon as we need to do that. Right about now, we'll toss it back to Karina.